In today's society, it's at home somewhat difficult to use it to explain to since almost every day animals at begin used to experiment. This causes them great pain, through this body and weakens them. In as short as harm their and some inhuman people will do experiment with animals. This has become something really difficult to explain since everything they do with then will cause damage to their body malformations. This can cause incurable disease. They can't live blind in a constant struggle the white in adults. Why are used to do animals experiments? Well, these are used to research this is a need to explain, find what to happens in a whole organisms in the most case in a simple difficult to solve with this for live animals for alternative methods is not rich. Why to do used in an animal rich model when they used them research model since they share under for inhuman disease. For example, in a rabbits used for them since in a they surf in arteriosclerosis, white for an heart day for of arteries and the disease. Why do animals for experiment models? Why are used the developed potential therapies at in a Apple's research process?